Hey, you want to say bye?
Hey,
I'm charging my phone.
okay, okay, okay. Wow,
Good, this is me. I'm so big.
really, you are really so sweet. Said, if I get a chance, I will hug you first.
Oh, hugging me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
welcome.
I love a hug. Yes,
Okay,
I love hugging.
okay.
Yeah, hello.
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay, okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, okay, hi.
Okay. So, do you know about Bangladesh?
I don't know many things. I don't know.
Okay,
But I know any country named Bangladesh.
okay, okay, okay. I know something about Indonesia. I know,
What it is?
I know something about Indonesia. That's
Yeah, what is?
your country have so beautiful sea beach, uh,
Oh, I see. Ocean.
ocean. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
And uh, your capital city name is Jakarta, right?
I stay in Jakarta.
Oh, you live Jakarta. Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 27. I'm 27.
27?
Yeah,
27?
yeah, 27, 27.
Same with me. Same. Same with me.
Same with you. You mean you also 27?
Same.
You
Yeah,
also
yeah, sure.
27? Wow, wow, wow. It's so good. So
Are
what?
you married?
No, no, no. Unmarried. I'm still unmarried.
Oh, okay. So marry me.
Really? Really?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, sure.
Come to me. I will marry you. Really? Because you're looking so beautiful, so sweet girl.
Mm,
You are so sweet girl.
I have no money to come, so
You have no money to come
yeah,
to
I'm
me.
working here.
You are working there. Okay. So
Yeah.
so save some money from your work and come to me. I will marry you. We can spend our whole life. Okay.
But why don't you come to me?
Come to
Want
you.
to marry me or come to me? Come to Indonesia.
If it's possible, I can go through you because you're so
Yeah.
beautiful. Do you know you are really a beautiful girl?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So what's your name?
Fia.
Bia.
Yeah.
Bia. Okay. So nice to meet you, Bia.
Nice to meet you too. How can I call you?
You really unmarried?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm single.
Yes. You are single.
Yeah, I'm single, no married. Yeah, I am.
Okay. So do you have any children?
Excuse me, children?
Yeah.
No, I'm never married. So how I can have children?
Okay. 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 Sorry. If I want to marry you, then what will you do?
What am I do? What do you
Then
mean?
if I
Hmm?
want to marry you, then what will you do? Will you marry me or not?
Oh yeah, sure. We're going to marry. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay for you?
If you good for me, yeah, if you are a good person, I will follow you. I will stay with you in Bangladesh, right?
Yeah. Really? Oh, I'm so
Yeah.
happy.
Why not?
I'm so happy to hear that. Uh, so sweet, so sweet. Your cheek look like an apple.
It's effect camera effect.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
I,
But you are so beautiful. You are so beautiful.
yeah, you're handsome too.
Mm, oh, thank you, thank you. I'm happy.
Yeah. Are you Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Yeah.
You
I'm Muslim too.
you also Muslim? Wow. So okay, no problem.
Okay, bye bye. I will text you.
Okay, okay, dear. Bye.
Bye.